everybody, this is Jean. Today I'm doing the October challenge for Art'nSoul Studio Tree of Life. I googled Tree of Life and found lots of beautiful conventional Tree of Life drawings. But I also came across this, which is a scientific Tree of Life. I am a scientist by training, and on this Tree of Life the whole area at the top represents bacteria, and on the extreme right-hand side is human life and probably all the other types of life on Earth that you would recognise. You know, other plants and animals and insects are all in that one very small area. So I decided to do this as an art journal page, as a circular art journal page. So I start off by gessoing a piece of watercolour paper. Now I have stuck two sheets together here because it's quite thin watercolour paper. It's bound to buckle because I'm going to use a lot of water. So this is quinacridone gold, fluid acrylic from DecoArt, and what I want is to get a very pale and very watercolour look to this in various areas on the page. So I do a lot of swooshing around and adding water and dabbing and drying in between. So this takes a lot of fiddling. I've speeded it up and missed bits out and I keep doing that until I'm happy. Then I use primary magenta, the same DecoArt fluid acrylics. The colour scheme came from a poster I was sitting opposite all the time I was having my hair cut recently. So I loved the colours of pink and yellow and gold. So that's what I chose to use. So that's where my inspiration came from for this unusual Tree of Life. And this is a very thin fine liner, and I'm trying to reproduce that sort of shape that I saw on the scientific Tree of Life. So as a scientist, that made me go, wow. But also, my creative side made me think, I quite like that as a diagram. I like the shape of it. There was something about it that made me want to reproduce it. So I have reproduced it, but not exactly the same. And on my diagram, it doesn't necessarily mean the same. And then I decide I'm going to add some leaves because it is a tree of life. So at the end of each of my straight lines, I add a little leaf shape. And again, I've missed a chunk out and I've speeded it up because this took quite a long time. These don't represent anything in particular, apart from the variety of life. I was going to leave them, and then I thought, no, I wanted the gold. I've got the pink and the yellow. I wanted the gold, so this is Cosmic Shimmer powder mixed with water in rich gold. And I just use that to colour in all the little leaves, and there's a close-up of what it looks like so far. Then I decide there are already splatters on the page which are accidental from when I squirted the water, so I decided to add some extra splatters to make it look as if it was meant. And here's my quote: remember that we are all on the same Tree of Life, which I printed out on the computer. This is a charcoal pencil. I didn't want to add any more wet to it, and I'm just outlining and smudging. It's charcoal pencil. It's just called dark, so it's black really. And then I've put a dotted line all around the outside here, but I didn't think it was enough when I came to photograph the piece. It just didn't show up. So this is near colour. So I've gone back to my near colour black, just smudged around to give a border. So I hope you've enjoyed this unusual Tree of Life. Just remains for me to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And please click on the little bell if you want notifications of future videos. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.